All right, so everyone remembers election night 2024, right?
Well,
Glued to the TV, hitting refresh on those news sites.
nail biter for sure.
Totally. But guess what? Turns out the crypto world was having its own election watch party.
Oh, yeah. Things got pretty interesting over there.
Understatement. We're diving deep into how the U.S. election, the one with all the actual votes.
Right.
How that whole thing shook up the world of cryptocurrency. Specifically, we're talking about those meme coins.
Meme coins. Yeah, the ones that are like often tied to, big political fiat.
Exactly. And we're not just talking about like pocket change here.
No.
This was some serious action.
Huge amounts of money being thrown around.
Okay, so walk me through this. What happened?
Okay, imagine this, right? You could use crypto to basically bet on who you thought was going to win the election.
Oh, interesting.
And there are actually platforms out there doing just that, like Polymarket.
Polymarket. Okay.
They saw just a massive surge in activity on election day. It was crazy.
So, hold on. Back up for a sec. For those of us who, maybe aren't trading crypto every day,
Sure.
what exactly is Polymarket?
It's a platform where people can use cryptocurrency to predict the outcome of real-world events.
Huh.
Elections being one of them. Like an online betting market, but with crypto.
Got it.
And get this, on election day, their trading volume, over $3 billion.
$3 billion. Seriously?
No joke. Big money.
Wow. Okay, so people are betting on the election using crypto. How does that actually, work in practice? Which coins are people using?
Okay, so a lot of the action was centered around these things called meme coins,
Meme coins, right?
which are basically digital tokens, but they're kind of inspired by internet memes, or personalities, often with a political twist. And some of them saw really wild price swings as the election results started coming in.
Oh, I bet. Okay, so spill the tea. Which coins were the stars of this crypto election show?
Okay, so not surprisingly, Trump-themed tokens were really popular. Really hot commodities. MAGA, that was the biggest one.
It
It saw a 33% jump in value, and this was as Trump's chances seemed to be improving, at least in those early vote counts.
Yeah, it makes sense. People were excited, putting their money, or crypto, I guess, where their hopes were. So what happened next?
Things got even crazier. There's this coin called DOGE.
DOGE. Okay.
It stands for Department of Government Efficiency, if you can believe it.
Oh, wow.
It was inspired by Elon Musk's support for Trump, and it, skyrocketed.
Skyrocketed. How much are we talking?
91% increase in value.
91. That's insane. Okay, so Trump coins were having a moment.
Definitely.
What about the other side of the aisle? Were there, any pro-other candidates coins that saw similar gains?
Not really. Different story there. The Kamala Harris coin,
Gamba coin.
it actually plummeted 86% as her perceived chances of winning went down.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it was a rough night for Kama holders.
Ouch. Talk about a real-time sentiment in check, huh? The crypto market was mirroring what was happening with the, actual polls.
Totally.
Any other big surprises?
Yeah, actually, there's one that really shows you how unpredictable these meme coins can be.
Oh.
The Joe Biden coin.
Oh.
Well,
All right.
It actually climbed 11%.
What?
Yeah, even though Biden wasn't even running in this election.
That doesn't even make sense. Why would a Biden coin go up if he's not even on the ballot?
Right. It's kind of wild. So we think this might be what we call a zombie effect from the previous elections.
Zombie effect. Okay, I like that.
Yeah. So sometimes, even when the initial hype dies down, a meme coin can still have this, cult following. Or maybe just some nostalgic value, and that can lead to these really unexpected price spikes.
So it's not always about, serious predictions or anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's just about, internet culture.
Exactly.
And a little bit of the absurd.
A little bit of chaos thrown in there.
I love it. Okay, but this whole election frenzy wasn't just about meme coins, was it?
You're right. It spilled over into the whole crypto market.
Oh, I bet.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah.
The big dog, it saw an 8% jump, and it actually reached a new all-time high during that time.
Wow.
And then Dogecoin, the OG meme coin.
Dogecoin, yeah, the one with the dog.
Exactly. It surged 31%, hit 21 cents.
So the entire crypto world was, holding its breath, waiting for those election results.
Pretty much, yeah. It was a big deal.
Okay, so stepping back, what does this all mean? What did we learn from this crazy ride through, election night crypto?
I think it really shows how intertwined things are becoming.
Intertwined, what do you mean?
Finance, technology, even politics, they're all kind of blending together. And these meme coins, even though they're often driven by like speculation and hype, they can actually be a real-time measure of public sentiment.
Yeah, that's true. It's like they're holding up a mirror to our hopes and anxieties, although maybe like a slightly distorted mirror.
A funhouse mirror.
Right, exactly. And it makes you think, what role will crypto play in future elections?
Yeah, it's hard to say for sure,
Right.
but it's definitely something to watch. Will we see even more sophisticated prediction markets? Will governments try to like step in and regulate these meme coins?
That's a good question.
It's a space with a lot of potential, but also a lot of uncertainty.
Totally. So next time anyone listening hears about a meme coin, surging or crashing,
Right.
remember there's probably more to the story.
Oh, yeah. A lot more going on beneath the surface.
More than meets the eye.
Exactly. Could be reflecting trends, beliefs, or just the, unpredictable nature of the internet.
And our collective fascination with it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, keep an open mind, stay informed, and maybe even keep a sense of humor about it all as we navigate this whole crazy new world.
I like that. A sense of humor is key.
Absolutely.
This has been fascinating. Thanks for breaking it all down.
Anytime. Glad we could dive into it.
To all our listeners, until next time, keep exploring and stay curious about the world of crypto.
And remember, sometimes the most interesting stories are hidden in the most unexpected places.